morning, my friends. Lorrie here in Lorrie's World on the Oregon coast, and I've got mail. So last year, as you know, I was involved in Survival Seeds 2025, which was um, the second year of Survival Seeds. We're just getting ready now to go into the third year of Survival Seeds. Well, a couple of the people who were involved in Survival Seeds last year, Lorrie and Bob, um, Robin Hood, something, and Lorrie. Lorrie's channel name changes quite frequently. It's mostly it all adds up with Lorrie, and uh, fabulous, wonderful people. Beautiful garden that they've made. I'm going to leave their links down below in the comment box, so you guys can go find them and check them out. Check out their gardens. Check out their skellies. They built the most beautiful garden last year. I'm hoping to emulate it a little bit this year in my yard that I'm going to try to rescue, which if you saw it, if you haven't seen that video, go back and see the video revealing my new backyard and the horrible condition that it's in for me to start working with. Anyway, Lorrie and Bob last year were instrumental in giving out prizes, so many prizes over the year for people. And one other thing they did was to give host gifts away. Now, I wasn't a host, I was a coordinator, which means basically I was a cheerleader for Canada because I was in Canada last year. And I would watch the videos and cheer on the people up here in Canada and recognize them. And so they sent out a thank you gift to all the hosts, and it's a super soft blanket. I'm pretty sure it's a pizza blanket, but let's find out for sure. Yeah, it is. It's a pizza blanket. Look how fabulous that is. And oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's just so soft. I love it. Thank you guys so much for my new blanket. I will snuggle with it on the couch all the time. It's going to look fabulous on my new couch. And yeah, thanks, Lorrie and Bob. I appreciate you.